Tuna! Hati-hati.
Boom! Alright, we know it's there. We're following the birds. Birds over there. How many white? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 white and many black birds. Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and of course choose all for you to be updated of my next video. We'll wait until Principal and Mr. V3. Bite now, bite, bite! This is trolling. Pulling line with artificial bait. Oh yeah, yes. That's bait. Hey! Woo! Woo! Wow! Look at that. Tuna coming. Ah! Boom! Look at that. I like the move of Principal. Fishing. Woo! Right now. I don't know what time. The bird's still there. Birds. That's our guide. There's rainbow right there. Woo! Woo! Double action! Double. Oh man. Woo! Wow! Look at that. Tuna! Tuna! Woo!
Tuna! Hati-hati.
Boom!
Show! Uy, dahil.
Woo! Birds! Where are the birds? Birds lost? Oh, right there. Right there. Woo! I wanna see dolphin. I wanna see dolphin.
Dunganon ta sa pagbira. Tanawon ta kung may nakuha ba. Dunganon ta sa pagbira. Tanawon ta kung may nakuha ba. Woo! Nakuha gyud. Grabe talaga guys. Tindi talaga tong principal sa ano, Novo. Magaling tong maghanap ng ano, spot si Mr. B3 guys. Yung naka-yellow. Yan yung ano, nag-imbita sa atin. Again, thank you very much Mr. B3 for this opportunity. Now I enjoyed like enjoy watching views, ocean, so timing, so calm. The clouds very clear, white, yes, a little bit some color, but not really brown, not really black, but oh, it's sounding. That's my indicator for today. If the bird is sounding, that means Tuna's presence here. Tuna. So birds are here.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and of course choose all for you to be updated of my next video.
Oh, many white birds now. They're coming. Wow! Principal!
Mr. Principal,
Mr. Principal!
workout, workout.
No need to go gym.
Yes.
Woo!
This is the gym.
Boom! Oh man. Enjoy guys. Oh, still sounding. That's for me. That's my that's today's observation. There's one there.
Camera, camera.
Woohoo! Camera! Maybe you'll not come here next time if no camera. Woo! Woo, look at that. Look at that. Cats. Ah. Oh man. Non-stop shouting. Ah! Dunganon ta sa pagbira, tanawon ta kung may nakuha ba. Tanawon ta sa pagbira. Tuna! Oh. Woo! Ketemu. Boom. Boom. Hey.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and of course choose all for you to be updated of my next video.
Oh. Woohoo.
Hey. Kata. Mr. Principal at the microphone.
Tuna, come on! Woo.
Pewi iswa.
Woohoo!
Mr. Tuna Commission.
It's now Mr. Betres! Sir Betres! CUM!
Busy.
CUM students! Let's give a big hand of applause to Sir Betres! Woo!
Oh. Yeah. Huwag, lumigang ka pa ganun siguro.
Boom!
Ito, dyan sa daw mo. Yun. Oh, sibuan na, pwede sibuan na ko si. Yun. Ato, te.
Wow! Principal! Pwede! Oh my goodness! Now I'm learning. Look at the birds. Birds right there. That's our guide. Look at the birds. Right, it's scattered. What's going on? Birds! Woo! Woo! Oh my! So enjoy. You see that? Wow, look at that tuna. Doesn't want to stay underwater now. Woo! 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 Big catch. Oh. Hey boy. Good idea, boy. So tuna. Look at tuna here. Anywhere. Tuna anywhere. Oh, look at that bird. Bird. Non-stop! Non-stop operation! What happened, Principal? What's that problem? No problem. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow, white, white! White!
White ang harap.
White tuna! White ang harap! Wow! Here we go! Woo, tuna everywhere! We're east side of Novo. Birds. Where are you, birds? Birds? What's that sign, birds? Oh, sounding still here. Sounding still here. Woo! Peace.